Today we'll be installing MySql workbench, MySql server. Let's start. Go to Chrome, Google for MySql, and there will be the first link for mysql.com. Click on it. We'll go then for downloads. Come down. We'll go for MySQL Community GPL download. So right now I'm installing it in the Windows. We will select for MySQL installer Windows. For Windows. We'll download this. Click on No Just and download it. Once it is downloaded, then we'll run the installation will start. So MySQL installer will start. So we'll choose once the installer is open. So we'll go for the custom. Click on next. So you will be able to see the products. So over here we'll expand the MySQL server. We'll go for MySQL server and then choose a latest one for our. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll be selecting for 64-bit. Then we'll go for applications, MySQL workbench. MySQL workbench. Select again. Once that is done, then we'll go for MySQL shell. We'll click on next. So it shows the path is already exist. Warning, you still have to select the path. Yes. We'll go for execute. This will download the data as per your internet service provider. Depend on how this internet service provider speed is on yours. Workbench has been downloaded. You have to wait for another couple of minutes. Server is also downloaded. We have to wait for this for the shell. This is also done. So now we'll click for the next. Then execute. Then you will ask for the installation. We'll install one by one. Start. So workbench is also being installed. So we'll be only waiting right now for the MySQL shell to get installed. click on next. Once this installation has been done, we'll try now configure. So configuration is on the development server. Port will be 3306 by default, and portal port will be 33060. So over here he is asking for two types of password. Use strong password, we'll choose for the use strong password. Encryption for authentication. The other method is use a legacy authentication method. Over here we will be creating another user as well as a Windows using the Windows user. So just put a password over here. Check. Okay. Start my for the current I'll be putting start MySql system server whenever the system is started. Standard system account. Execute. Now it will start configuration one by one. Done. Finish. Click the next. Let's finish this. And let's close it. So we will go on the Windows menu bar. We'll search for Workbench. So over here we will be able to see small windows where you will be able to see MySql connection. So while clicking on it, it will ask for a password. For right now, I will not save the password, but you can click on the save button, password in a vault, and you will whenever you click to the connection, it will get connected to the MySql. It will not ask you a password every time. So this is how the MySql workbench looks like. So we will go for another. So that's it for now. Thank you.